Hello everyone! In today's video we want to show you how easy it is with MQTT and Peakboard to create a possibility so that your workers can directly order parts from your intralogistics in your company. How all this stuff works, you see now.
Hello and welcome to the second part of our video, where we'll show you how to get two Peakboard boxes to communicate with each other using MQTT. This allows us to set up the internal communications we need to set up new parts orders. In the first part of the video, we already showed you how to create a visualization where products from a materials list can be selected and orders can be generated using an interactive order list. If you're interested in how to do this and haven't seen the video yet, you can find the link for it in the description below. In this part of the video, we want to address the issue of triggering the order via MQTT and of processing the order at the warehouse. To do that, we'll first set up our MQTT data source. Here, we're going to click on MQTT under Add Data and enter a name for our data source. Next, we put in the address of the MQTT broker, which allows us to go ahead and set up our subscription. In this visualization, we just want to post into the MQTT channel, so it's not going to matter what kind of subscription we set up. Next, we'll create the third part of the visualization, which simply consists of a button that can be used to submit the order. The script that's going to be executed when we click on it will concatenate the information from the order list and then publish it under the respective MQTT topic as a message. For this, we'll first create a local variable, which we'll name order text. Here, we're going to use a for loop to concatenate all of the rows in the table. Then, we publish this text under the desired topic on the MQTT broker. Additionally, we're going to indicate that the order was submitted by displaying a notification. Under that, we'll add another button that can confirm when an order has been received. It will delete the order list and display another notification. There we have it for this visualization. Next, we're going to create another visualization that will be shown in the warehouse that needs to receive and process all the different orders coming in from various workstations. Here, we'll start off again by creating a heading and a list that will show us all of the incoming orders from all the various workstations along with timestamps and the workstation of origin. First, we need to create a time data source for the timestamp. Then, we'll make an MQTT data source along the same lines as before to access the orders, except that this time with a subscription, we want to read out all of the orders from all rows. Because of this, we'll set a /hashtag behind it. Now, we make a refresh script for the MQTT data source, which we use to enter orders from each of the individual workstations into the order list that we made earlier. Here, we'll start off with a local variable, which we enter in this line here. For that, we use gsub to replace the text orders with nothing. All of that goes over e.topic for the topic column. Then, we test whether an entry exists for the respective line using a loop. If it does, we enter the additional items into the order list. We also want to include a timestamp for each order that's entered, and avoid placing a timestamp for empty orders. If a line doesn't already contain an order, we'll add a new entry to the order list. This gives us the ability to later add or remove lines from our order. Next, we'll create a data flow by sorting the entries in the order list by time in ascending order, so that we always see the oldest orders first, so they can be processed in order according to the silo principle. Last, we'll set up a tile view that we're going to use to show the orders in each individual line, so that the warehouse team will be able to better track what needs to be done later. That finishes our project for today. Now we can take a look at both visualizations in the preview, where we can see how an order is transmitted to the warehouse directly to be processed by the workers there. I hope you liked our video. If you did, we'd love it if you'd give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more projects like this, please leave us a comment to let us know what you'd like to see us tackle next. You can also use the link in the description to reach our website, where you can contact us directly with your questions or comments. Thanks very much for watching.